Most people think AI music apps are complicated, but Sondo AI can literally create full songs and music videos in minutes. The problem is, most beginners have no idea where to start and end up missing the best features completely. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use Sondo AI step by step, from generating AI music to creating synced music videos directly inside the app. When you open the app for the first time, you'll need to sign up or log in. You can use your email or any available login option to create your account quickly. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all the AI tools are located. To start making music, tap on Create Music. Here, you can enter keywords or choose a music style like pop, rap, jazz, cinematic, or even emotional tracks. Once you type your prompt, tap Generate, and within seconds, the app will create a full AI-generated song automatically with vocals, instrumentals, and effects. One thing that makes Sondo AI stand out is how beginner-friendly it feels. You don't need music production experience to create something that actually sounds professional. Now, if you want to create a music video, tap on Create MV or Generate Video. You can either upload your own audio file or use a song you generated inside the app. After that, choose a visual style like sci-fi, romantic, anime, cinematic, or futuristic. Once you tap Generate, the app analyzes your music and automatically creates synced visuals, transitions, and effects that match the beat of the song. This usually takes a few moments, depending on the length of your project. After your video is ready, you can fully edit it inside the app. You can adjust scenes, apply filters, preview clips, and customize the final look before exporting everything. When you're done, tap Export to save the video directly to your device or share it on platforms like TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube. One important thing to keep in mind is that some advanced features require credits or a subscription, so always check your balance before starting larger projects. Overall, Sondo AI is one of the easiest ways to create AI music and music videos in 2026 without needing expensive editing software or production skills. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of AI music you want to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.